Welcome to our tutorial on how to archive your video story after posting on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on your video story that you have posted on your Facebook profile. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots icon located at the top right corner of your video story and tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Archive Video to move your video story to the archive section on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily archive your video story after posting it on Facebook, allowing you to store it for future reference or to keep your profile organized. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to archive your video story after posting it on Facebook. Enjoy managing your video stories and keeping your Facebook profile neat and organized with the archiving feature.